My name is Rashmi Manoj Kanoje, and he is my husband, Dr. Manoj Dattatreya Kanoje. We are from Maharashtra. 2 months ago, my husband's accident took place here in Bangalore, and so we shifted him to ICU. So from there, we shifted to Sukhino Center. Dr. Ganesh Veerabhadra sir recommended that you take physiotherapy in Sukhino's Rehab Center. When we first stepped in here, he was unable to move. So that time there was tracheostomy, cathedral, and he was in unconscious state. So after that we took here physiotherapy. So after physiotherapy, slowly he has come to normal state. So now he is well stable. He can sit, he can walk, he can take his properly as a normal person. I'm very happy that got treatment here and he recovered very well. Now all tracheostomy has removed, so he can do his normal activities also, and he's taking his medication also very well. So I'm very happy. So facilities here given was provided were very nice. Regarding food, nursing stations, they were also taking care. Caretaker was also good, and their service was also good.
मेरा नाम है रंजन नाथ। तो मैं सुखिनो में रनिंग 4 साल हो गया। मनुष्य सर तो पहले जब आया था तो कुछ बात नहीं कर सकते, टकास्टमिक था, राइस ट्यूब था, कैथेटर भी था। उसके बाद धीरे धीरे 1 महीने के अंदर ही उनका सब कुछ वो निकल गया। अभी तो वो खाना भी खा सकते हैं। पहले तो चल भी नहीं सकता, अभी खुद से भी थोड़ा थोड़ा चल सकते हैं। फिजियोथेरेपी तो बहुत अच्छा, जल्दी जल्दी फिजियो करके रिकवरी हो गया।
So when I arrived here, I was unable that what services they provide, but overall progress was very good in my husband, because first he was unable to walk, do regular activities. He is now able to do normal activities. So I'm very happy that he has regained that much, because all of because of Sukhino only.
We received this patient by name Manoj about 1.5 months ago, and he is a case of RTA, road traffic accident, with head injury. He had SAH and had undergone cranioplasty at the hospital initially. And post-hospitalization, once he was ready for discharge, he needed some more rehabilitation, because the medical part is done. Now it's all about rehabilitation. So he had come to us at the right time. When he initially came to us, he was not conscious, he was drowsy, and he was not oriented. He was not oriented to time, place, anything. He was completely bedridden. So we had started with physiotherapy, slowly, progressively, increasing the intensity and frequency day by day. And simultaneously, he also underwent speech and swallow therapy, while also getting the necessary tracheostomy care. And eventually we had once he was able to swallow on his own, we had removed all his tube, we had closed his tracheostomy, and physiotherapy continued. So on, he went on to going for occupational therapy as well. Now he's able to walk on his own with minimal support. He's balancing himself well. He's speaking almost as clearly. He has improved significantly, and I feel this is personally because of how he had come to us at the right time, and the decision was made at the right time. And now if you look at him now, he's able to walk on his own with minimal support, and it's a great improvement that he's had so far.
I'm very happy that they have provided services.